none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
Hello?
Hey, what's up, Dante? It's AJ. How you doing?
Oh, hey, what's up, AJ? How you doing, man? Good.
Good. And I pronounced your name, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So what questions you got for me?
Yeah, man. Okay, so I went down kind of your list in terms of the stuff that I had to do.
Yes.
And so far what I've done is I created the LLC.
Okay.
So I went through a company called File.
Okay.
And which is owned by Busy, I believe now. But they handled everything. I got everything like expedited. So I did that. So I got the LLC, I got the EIN, and then I also and everything. I also went to Navy because I have a Navy Federal account.
Okay.
And so I got my business account set up through them. So I have that. And then I also went down to the city because I live in San Diego, California.
Okay.
And I went down there in the city hall and I got my business license, which was like $45, which is like a tax ID or it's not a tax ID, but it's like it's something that like tax my customers or something. It's like I got
Yep. So basically a sales tax thing, so you can charge tax to your customer. Perfect.
Yeah. And then the only thing that's left to do is I'm trying to understand waves more because you said to go through bookkeeping. So I'll have to do that. I also have to get my supplies. My website is not made either. Also, I had a question about your leads because I plan on buying leads from you. So I'm a one-man team right now. I have no employees. Are the leads commercial like clients in terms of like someone that owns a business that would be like a on-recurring client? Is that what the business lead kind of is?
Yep, absolutely. So we literally only provide leads for businesses. So we don't do residential or anything. It's only for recurring commercial contracts.
Okay.
Now, obviously, we don't guarantee you the contract, though. You still have to go out there and close the deal, but we guarantee you a meeting with the decision maker who's in charge of hiring a cleaning company for that company.
Right. That makes complete sense. Yeah, that's a really good service, to be honest.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna buy the package from you, which is like I think it's like 5 leads for $800 or something like that. So that's on my list to do. That's really great news. So so I'm gonna do that. Right now I'm in the process of creating the website and the supplies. Also, in relation to the lead, should I put a note that I'm only looking for like a one-man job, for because I don't have employees. So like, if you guys found me a lead that's like with an account that's like doing way more than what I'm capable of doing, should I let you guys know that ahead of time? Or
honestly, I would say 80% of the time, the contracts that we find won't be like humongous that you can't handle yourself. Like typically they won't be more than like a 4-hour job, Monday through Friday. Like that's a good contract that one person can do. But yeah, it usually won't be that. But what you could indicate on the application if you want is you could just simply let us know that you are okay with smaller contracts, because most people are not okay with them. So if you let them know that, that'll kind of give them a relief too.
Also, with like a job like that, do you know how much clients are usually willing to pay in terms of like for something like that?
Yep, so it literally depends. So I'll just give you a rough estimate. So first off, let's just say, all right, before I go any further, I do want you to know, I know you said that you didn't build your website.
Not yet. No, it's one of the, so yeah, the only thing that's left to do is bookkeeping, supplies, marketing materials, website, lead, and then learn to bid. The last thing.
And you're not in Clean Biz Network yet, right?
I am.
Oh, you are? Bet. Okay,
yeah.
So you already know that I got it in the course and you can build it right in Clean Biz Network.
Yeah.
Perfect. Just making sure, because I was going to say, I don't want you to know that before you go spend money elsewhere. All right, perfect. All right, so back to your original question, though. You were asking, okay, bam, so how much a contract would pay? So it really, honestly, it can vary so greatly, and I'm going to tell you why, because let's just say that the building you get is a 5,000 square foot building. Well, that 5,000 square foot building could take you 5 hours to do, or it could take you 2 hours to do. It just all depends on what's inside of that 5,000 square foot building. It also depends on what the scope of work is. You know, it's a lot of variables that goes into it. But if I had to give you an estimate, let's just say you were doing a building that was 4 hours a night, 5 days a week, and then you in California, let's say you're charging $40 an hour, and then you do times 4.33 weeks in a month. So you're looking at about $34.65 a month, something like that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
And then
they just
I
contract.
Yeah, I had a question too. I saw on one of your videos you said not everyone needs necessarily a car, but should I have a car just think like do most of these, like when I get a let's say that I accept the account with a client, and I go through the walkthrough, everything looks good, and I'm ready to do business with them. The other thing that I forgot to tell you that I did get too was I got a business insurance quote, which was a $2 million policy for $3,000 for the whole year, and then they were also saying something I could do like an installment plan if I wanted to. So back to what I was saying was, do they have like usually a janitorial office sometimes, or is it like, should I have a car with me or like a van?
So I absolutely positively do not think you need a van. I highly recommend against getting a van starting off. I think you should be as lean as possible. And honestly, most of the buildings that you're going to get, they're going to have janitorial closets anyway. So the way I always like to do it was I would just buy little like mini starter kits to put in each contract and just leave it in their janitorial closet so we don't have to tote things around. And it also is more convenient too for when I hire my subcontractors or employees, whatever route you decide to go, and put them in those contracts. We don't have to worry about them transporting supplies to, facility to facility and risk losing it or stealing it for that matter. But That's my approach. However, it is cheaper, especially starting off, to just keep all your supplies in your trunk of your car or your van if you have a van, and just travel from building to building and transport in and out of your vehicle. So that is a way to do it. But is it necessary? Not in the beginning, absolutely not. You don't need a van. And even if you do it with just a car, most of the stuff will fit in your trunk. I always did it with a regular SUV, and sometimes I even had just a regular car, and we can fit everything just fine. Only thing, I did have to put my the mop stick and the handle to the backpack vacuum in the back seat though. Okay. Yep. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That's pretty much like where I'm at. I signed up for your $100 university class on your website. But yeah, I got to get a couple more because it's kind of just me by myself, and I'm going to school right now. So I'm like doing everything all and going and having a job. So I'm trying to like do everything myself, But yeah, there's a couple more things that I need to do before I can actually buy the leads, I believe, because, I need to get the supplies, and then I need to have the website, correctly made. So there's like a couple more steps I got to do that you were talking about, and then I'll be able to buy the leads for sure.
Perfect. Sounds good, bro. Well, I'm here whenever you need me. You can feel free to text this number. Typically, if I'm not monitoring this number, somebody will be, and then we're adding more people to the team so we can have like salespeople always here, which they can kind of be dubbed as customer service too. So yeah, just feel free to shoot me a text anytime. And then also even within the Clean Business Network Facebook group, tag me if you got a question, post it in there. And then not only will I reply, a lot of other people will apply as well.
Awesome. And then I had a question too. Are you still in that YouTube channel with the A&Q, which is like sometimes on Sunday, or?
Do you say the YouTube channel on where?
Like, were you doing it every Sunday? There's like a live where you kind of like have people on your panel where you're just talking about different stuff.
Oh, yeah. We should bring that back, right? But I was literally only doing that for a while for just to kind of promote the CBN conference. But we definitely need to bring back a once a week live for sure. It was fun. Or at least, once a month. But actually, it's funny you say that because I was thinking about going live today on my way home from the office. So stay tuned. I might hop on there today.
For sure, yeah, because I like to be in tune to what, like, especially when I like in between classes or something, like, it's kind of cool just hearing different people's stories and how they're coming up, and you know what I mean. So, but yeah, no, definitely. I also appreciate your class and everything that you're doing. Yeah, I think it's like really good. It's helping me out a lot. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'll keep you posted, man, on everything that I'm doing. When I buy the leads, I'll shoot you like another text or something. See how that
That was
goes.
nice, man. And you killing it, bro. I love the way you taking that action. It sounds like you're getting it done. In the midst of all the things you got going on with the school and everything. So shout out to you. You sound like you're well on your way.
Slowly but surely, but yeah.
Yep. All right, Dante. I appreciate it, man. You have a good one.
You too. Thanks.
All right. Bye.
Are you looking to start your own cleaning company? Or maybe you started your cleaning company, but you just need a support group, some mentorship, some guidance. Hell, a bidding calculator just to help you know if you're pricing the job correctly. Join us at cleanbiznetwork.app. That's www.cleanbiznetwork.app today and get on the right track with your cleaning company. We have everything you could possibly need to get you going in the right direction and see why we've been the leading cleaning business consulting company for the past 5 years and why they call me, AJ Simmons, the cleaning business GOAT. So I can help you just like I've helped and my company has helped thousands of other people start and grow their cleaning companies. Go to the #1 source today, www.cleanbiznetwork.app. Thank you.